Hi, it's Fletcher here on behalf of Microsoft, and today I have a solution to one of the more frustrating experiences you can have browsing the web. If you're anything like me, then when you're online looking for that perfect gift for someone, the next game to play, or maybe even what you want to spend that sweet voucher you got from work on, then you're used to having way too many tabs open on the top of your browser. That's when Collections from Microsoft Edge can come to your rescue. Simply click on the Collections button at the top of Microsoft Edge, then click Start New Collection. Name it what you want, and then you're able to start adding web pages and images to that collection. You're able to access it at any time on your phone or your PC. Once your collection is complete, it's easy to export it to Excel, OneNote, Word, or even Pinterest for some super easy comparisons. No more navigating through 20 tabs just to find the cost of everything. Make sure you try out Collections in Microsoft Edge today.